brand is really fascinating. It was created in 2003 in conjunction with the USDA to provide a peanut-free, allergy-friendly, school-safe product for kids. A decade later, we launched our first retail product with Target. Literally, one of the very first moves I made when I joined SunButter was to call SPINS. We had no data. So in order for us to grow our brand at retail and be better partners with our retailers, we needed to establish ourselves as the category leader with data and share our tactical, data-driven story about why we win at shelf. But then I also needed someone to help me analyze that data. So we work with a customer insights manager at SPINS who's literally a part of my team. And we meet weekly to digest the information that we're learning and communicate that out so we can be better partners with our retailers. The third piece, and probably most critical right now to growing and scaling our business, is working side by side with our SIMs to understand how we're winning at retail with our new innovation, which is our Jammies SunButter and Jelly Sandwich. Today, we're already the leading brand in schools, and we're the leading brand on shelf. So a natural extension of that, because we have the consumer's trust already, was to create Jammies. Where could we leverage SPINS to make sure that we were launching this product correctly? Exactly. We have a test and learn point of view. So we picked 6 key retailers, and our learnings were enormous. And where our sim really helped us was understanding what promotions worked, what shelf placement worked, how we were generating trial and awareness with the right consumer. Was there crossover shopping between our jars and our jammies? Just the world of data that is now allowing us to have a clean and concise strategy and story as we expand nationwide. So now we're in market, we've launched our products, and we needed to understand what was actually happening. And the key learnings we got from SPINS were, when we were merchandised properly, we saw improved velocity. So it allows us to have a better conversation with our retailers. The second thing we learned was what promotion strategy worked the best for trial and awareness and lift. And we're not the only one to come up with this idea to challenge this mega brand. So there's other challenger brands like ourselves in the market. And what we know from our SPINS data is we're outselling those challenger brands 3-1. So we've been on shelf for about 23 weeks. And the data that we have gleaned from our SPINS partnership has given our salespeople the confidence and the ability to sell in strategically as we grow nationwide. So obviously launching the new innovation was really critical for us to have that data, but it was also amazing for our core business, right? So having that deep understanding of our power on shelf allowed us to land new retailers, to close distribution gaps with existing retailers, but also garner better shelf position with our existing partners that help them drive more profitability in their category. And that's a win for all of us. So what can you expect from us next? We did a ton of consumer research along with our data research when we were launching Jammies. And we really learned that the consumer's leaning in to a non-GMO certified product. And that was absolutely substantiated by the attribute work that SPINS provides to us. We're using our consulting services at SPINS to really dive into where the white space is, where we can play there, but also replace a peanut butter product that is existing and doing well today. So we have a list of strategic criteria that they're helping us to map where to go next. So starting in back to school season 2024, we are bringing out a non-GMO formulation for the Jammies product. Our vision is to be everything in the lunchbox, or on the go, or at the soccer field, or at camp, where you need an on-the-go convenience item that's also allergy-friendly, delicious, and nutritious. So SPINS will help us get there in the long run.